It's her. It's her. Somebody help. Somebody please help.
You know her.
Help. It's her. It's her. We need to help her. It's the maiden I've been looking for. What happened to her? Who did this to her?
What do you think you're doing? Can't you see we are late already?
Father, I need to help this lady. I can't leave her here like this.
This is a common criminal. Let us hand her over to the police and continue with our journey.
No, Father. She's not a criminal. I've been looking for her for a long time now. Now that I've seen her, I can't just leave her here like this, please.
I beg your pardon? Do you know this lady? Do you know her?
Yes, Father. She's the lady from Umozone Kingdom. The one I met there. Please, Father. We need to help her, please. We need to get her to the hospital. Please, come and help!
Our in-laws are not here yet.
It is strange for us. We haven't seen them.
Igwe Okaka informed me that they had left their place and were actually on the way.
They ought to be here since. The guests are tired of waiting.
He has not been picking his calls. He's not picking.
Everybody is waiting out the field. People are waiting. What is keeping them?
I am telling you that the marriage is not holding in key. And you think I am joking?
Nkechi. How can you say a thing like that?
Look at the time. The musician are tired of playing since morning. The people are tired, leaving the field one after the other. Nobody has seen the prince of Umozemazi and his people.
I heard they're supposed to come to the palace before moving down to the field.
Okay, let's go and see if they are at the Igwe palace. But I guess they are not. But you know, time is not friendly at all.
Okay, it was good.
You can do all you wish to do in this world. You don't have the
And why the hell do you have a smile on your face? Don't you know it's a sad day? Cry! What is going on? Are they here yet?
Not yet.
What is Prince Uche doing to me? Why is he doing this to me on our wedding day? He has plans with his father to embarrass me today, of all days.
Maybe something must have happened to them. Come. Keep dialing his number.
Mother, his phone is switched off. Switched off? Switched off, Mama. Hey! Mom, are you sure? Are you sure this wedding is going to take place? Are you sure he's not going to abandon me today, Mother?
As for the wedding must hold. Yes. You don't have to worry yourself about that.
Mom, are you sure?
Yes. Just sit down. Can we dial his number?
Mom, I said his phone is switched off. What am I supposed to call?
Prince Uche can't afford to disappoint.
Oh, goodness.
Not today. This marriage must hold.
Mama, you're so heartbroken. Stop. My heart.
Your heart. Please, don't do this. Don't talk to yourself. Please. Don't. You're hurting yourself. Okay?
Wait. What happened? Is that not the prince car?
Of course it is.
Is today not supposed to be the traditional marriage with the princess of Umenwa kingdom?
It is my sister.
And what is he doing here? I mean, his father is supposed to escort him with the masquerade and Okoli singers and go and escort him with his wife home.
My sisters, this was the plan, no? Hey, from what I heard, though. But I don't know what is going on right now. I don't know.
Is it not obvious that they're not going for a traditional wedding?
My sisters, from what I heard, though, I just heard. The prince doesn't love the princess. Here. Maybe this is the way he wants to use and disappoint her. Man.
Please, unheard of. This is too much now. Today of all days. I mean, a special day. Why would he do this to her now?
What do you expect? That's how men are. They're always that way. He knew he didn't want to marry her in the first place. Why would he go and propose to her? Men are just so wicked.
This is so unheard of. This is so unheard of. Not even on a special day.
Of course, special day today.
This is too much now.
Let me go. My mother will be waiting for me.
Why would he do this to her?
Igwe.
Yes. What's chasing you?
Prince Uche is in the palace. He's here right now.
Our gods are indeed benevolent.
Your Highness.
Yes.
He didn't come with his people. He came alone.
Huh? What I say?
Are you saying that Igwe Okaka did not accompany his son, Prince Uche, to this palace?
Exactly.
What is happening?
My princess.
Yes, what's going on?
The prince of Umenwa is here.
Here?
Yes.
Wait.
He's here.
Here in the palace?
Yes, my princess, but there's a problem.
Problem? What?
Snake! He didn't come with his people.
Why? Excuse me, what nonsense are you talking about?
He actually came alone. He came alone.
Mom!
Who is this? You stay away from her. What is happening here?
Father, what is going on here?
I ask the same question.
What are you doing here with this witch? This little non-entity? I've been here the whole time sitting, waiting for you. It's our wedding day. And then you appear with this nitwit, this daughter of a nobody.
For years now,
You have deceived the good people of Umozome. Yes.
What's he talking about?
For years now, the murderer of the good king of this land, Igwe Oraye, and his wife have sat on the throne of this land.
What's he talking about?
For years now, this imposter, in the name of being a princess, has paraded herself in Umozome, while the real princess was being treated as a slave.
What is the meaning of that nonsense? Listen, you are in my father's compound.
Yes.
You will mind your language.
Prince Uche, my in-law, please, if you have something to tell us, come out as a man and say it directly.
Oh no.
Right now, you're speaking in parable.
Readers!
This man here, this wicked man here, killed your Igwe Oraye and his wife.
What?
And he also made sure that all his male children died at birth.
What?
All because of his personal agenda to become king of the land and install this charlatan here as the princess. Igwe!
What is he talking
Who are you? My name is Adeze. I came from... No, I'm looking for a work. I want to work. I'm looking for a job. Anything at all.
You? Yes. It is you.
Yes. No.
It's you.
Me? I don't understand. I don't get what.
You think I will recognize you? I recognize you now. Yes. It's you. It's you.
Madam, please, what's the meaning of this? Are you romancing me or holding me?
Yeah, romancing you.
Madam, I don't understand.
No, you will know.
Madam, I don't understand what you are saying. Stop now, please. I came here to look for a job.
You came to look. You get the job.
Give me the job.
Don't worry now. Keep quiet.
Which one is I should keep quiet? What is it? Madam, let me go now. This is no long. Madam, you are matching me.
Hello?
You are matching me.
Hello, Ajibo? Yes.
Madam.
Yes. You know that girl that came to my shop the other day and stole all the phones?
Yes. Madam, leave me now. What kind of thing is this one now?
Yes. No, she cannot escape now.
Yes. Madam, free me.
She cannot escape. I'm with her. Just come here. You think I will not recognize? This is the bag. This is the bag you were holding the other day. You are not going anywhere.
Stop all this nonsense. What is all this?
Today the camera has come.
Madam, leave me alone now. Madam, what is wrong with you now?
You're not going anywhere.
Madam, stop this thing.
Okay, blow. Keep blowing. Keep blowing.
One blow, 10 apples.
Your day has come. You want to look for your job. Yeah. See this one. What you have? Cesar.
Get up! Where's that?
They could not leave her when I try. Kill her. Idiot. See this bag. If not come back, I can't collect the bag. Idiot.
I'm innocent.
She don't die. Good guy, this put on this. fire touch her body, she go wake up. Be like my friend, you don't know these people. You go do the deal you have. And you can't enter her, man. Oh yeah. Light them. Where the lighter now? You don't get lighter. I will not this. When you say why? Now you know. Go find lighter now. They look you. From here, say where they come. Find your way. Find your way from here. You will they come. Now you go follow me. Right, to find. It's her. Somebody help. Somebody please help. You know her. Help. It's her. We need to help her. It's the maiden I've been looking for. What happened to her? Who did this to her? What do you think you're doing? Can't you see we are late already?
Father, I need to help this lady. I can't leave her here like this.
This is a common criminal. Let us hand her over to the police and continue with our journey.
No, Father. She's not a criminal. I've been looking for her for a long time now. Now that I've seen her, I can't just leave her here like this, please.
I beg your pardon? Do you know this lady? Do you know her?
Yes, Father. She's the lady from Umozome Kingdom. The one I met there. Please, Father. We need to help her, please. We need to get her to the hospital. Please, come and help. Come and... Wait. Help me get out.
Okay. Are you all right?
You know me. You recognize me.
Yes.
Who are you? What are you doing here? How did you end up like this?
My name is Daisy.
Yes, I know that much. I know you are Daisy. But the other time I met you at Umozome Kingdom. So what are you doing in this kingdom and how did you end up like this?
I have always been a victim of circumstance. I am Daisy, the legitimate daughter of late King Oranye, the late king of Umozome Kingdom, who was unjustly killed by his brother so he can take over the throne.
What did you just say?
Igwe was there when he snuffed life out of my father. It didn't end there. They went ahead to kill my mother a month later. And I have been a slave in my father's own palace. My woes started when your son, the prince, came to seek their daughter Oma's hand in marriage. Instead of falling in love with Oma that he came to look for, he left her and started liking me. This brought a lot of trouble to me because they decided to banish me by lying that I was a witch. They accused me of witchcraft and sorcery. I am innocent, Your Highness.
Wait. Can you confirm all these stories with an oath in the presence of a strong deity? Can you do it?
Yes. Even now I can, Your Highness.
Ochako, Your Majesty, call back the entourage. The Ekene boys, the masquerade dancers, and even the women group. This marriage is cancelled as far as I am concerned. We must get to the root of this matter. Take me back to the palace. Clean this maiden up and take her to the hospital.
Father, can you permit me to handle this my own way? I'll take her with me and make sure that I deal with this my own way. Please, Father.
Very well then. Make sure that the maiden is safe.
She's safe with me. I promise you. Trust me, she's safe.
Not realizing that because royalty acknowledges royalty, her presence irritated me right from the start. What? And all along, the real princess is her. This is the person I should be getting married to here today. They have tried their best to make that impossible, but in spite of everything, destiny has brought us together.
What is he talking about? It's a lie. Lie and lie.
Yes.
He's not telling the truth.
He's lying.
He's not.
You have tried everything to keep us apart, but destiny brought us together in spite of it.
How can you mouth such obscenities here?
Yes.
How can you? How?
Yes.
How?
You can't deny it. You can't. You know the truth. And your wife as well knows the truth.
You lie! You lie!
It's me. Okitere. Ojema bobe. It's me. Biko. Ojema bobe. Omia, I want the brother. He wouldn't listen. He said that your brother will be upon him and the children should die. Iwe, please. Iwe, please.
How can you people sit here and listen to this? Fool! How can you? What right does he have to come here and tell us who killed who?
Your Majesty.
Yes.
These allegations are grave allegations. And if he has any iota of proof of what he's saying, then he has every right to come here and seek justice for Daisy.
It is a lie. A big lie!
Yes!
He's not telling the truth! He's not! He's not! Are you listening to him? Are you? Look at this boy looking at me like that! Yes!
No!
Igwe.
What do you want to do?
Can you swear with the sacred feather of truth and justice that what this young man is saying here are all lies? Igwe, please swear. Clear your name and save the kingdom this embarrassment.
Oh no.
Save us this shame.
Swear, Igwe.
Clear your name. Swear.
No!
conscience fears no accusation. No. Swear.
You don't have to swear. You've already told them it's God. This is your king.
Okay. I will swear. No. I will swear. Yes, I will swear. I will swear. Yes, I will swear. No. I will swear. I will swear. Hey, I will swear. I will swear.
I'm solidly behind you, Father.
Yes, I will swear. I will swear.
Yes. Yes, Father. Swear.
I will swear.
Yes, I'm behind you.
Yes.
Yes, Father.
I'll swear. I'll swear. I'll swear. I'm swearing. I'll swear. I will 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 swear. I did not kill my late brother. I did not even think of it at all. I did it. Yes. I did it.
I told you all that my father is innocent, but you did not believe it. Now you say it. Don't you say it. Now you, daughter of the night, tell him what you did to your parents. Don't tell me to stay away from her. I won't.
Are you okay?
My king.
Are you alright?
My king, what is it?
What is it?
Are you okay?
Don't do this. Please, don't. Sit.
Elder, don't touch him. This is true.
Just say what? Oh no, you come. Oh no. Igwe. My elders. Father! You don't want to
You don't have the final say in this world. You can manipulate everything you see in this world. Maybe you get the final say in this world. Only God. So such a fool with final say. Only God. Only Jehovah. So